Let's solve for the exact value of sine of negative pi over 8 using the half-angle identity. First, let's recall the half-angle identity for sine. The sine of an angle theta equals plus or minus the square root of quantity 1 minus cosine of 2 theta, all divided by 2. In our case, theta equals negative pi over 8. Substituting this in, we get sine of negative pi over 8 equals plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of negative pi over 4, all divided by 2. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. When we have a negative angle, we move clockwise from the positive x-axis. Negative pi over 8 is this angle here, and negative pi over 4 is twice that angle. Now, we know that cosine of negative pi over 4 equals cosine of pi over 4 because cosine is an even function, and we know that cosine of pi over 4 equals square root of 2 over 2. Let's substitute this value. We get plus or minus the square root of 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, all divided by 2. Now, since negative pi over 8 is in the fourth quadrant, we know the sine value will be negative. Therefore, we use the negative square root. Our final answer is negative square root of quantity 2 minus square root of 2, all divided by 2.